Hello class, in this video I will be showing you how to find the inverse of a one-to-one function. Let's begin. Given a one-to-one function f, the inverse function may be found algebraically by following a four-step process. Step 1. Change f of x to y. Step 2. Interchange x and y. And the reason why we do that is because if xy is on the graph of f of x, yx is on the graph of f inverse. Step 3, we're going to solve for y. And what we're doing here is we are creating the inverse function. And finally, change y to f of x. And what we're doing here is just using proper inverse notation. Okay, so now that we have the four steps, let's go ahead and use them to find the inverse of a one-to-one function. So in example 12, we would like to find the inverse of the function f of x is equal to 8 minus 4x, then sketch both the function and its inverse on the same xy plane. So I'm going to start by sketching f of x first, just to verify that it is indeed a one-to-one function. F of x is linear, and it has a vertical intercept at 0, 8, and a slope of negative 4. So from 0, 8, I'm going to go down 4 to the right one, down 4 to the right one, down 4 to the right one. Okay, so f of x is indeed a one-to-one function because it passes a horizontal line test. Okay, so now to find its inverse. Step 1 says to replace f of x with y. So we will have y is equal to 8 minus 4x. Step 2 says to interchange x and y. So here we're going to have x is equal to 8 minus 4y. Step 3. Solve for y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides and then divide all three terms by negative 4. And the result is negative 1/4 x plus 2 is equal to y. And finally, step 4 says to use proper inverse function notation. So we're going to replace y with f inverse of x. All right, so now that we have the inverse of f, let's go ahead and graph it on the grid. So this function has a vertical intercept of 0, 2, and the slope is negative 1/4. So from here, we're going to go down 1 to the right 4, down 1 to the right 4. We can also go up 1 to the left, and then up 1 to the left. So now that we have the function and its inverse graphed on the same xy plane, we are done.